Hi everybody, welcome to a new video by Saqib Iqbal Digital, and in this video we will learn how to create a stunning profile photo for your social media handles. We all know that your profile photo is a first impression on social media. As the saying goes, first impressions do count. If a person gets a negative impression from your profile picture, it may cause a difficult initial interaction. A high-quality profile picture leaves a great first impression. If you are trying to build your personal brand online, you cannot do without one. A good photo helps you stick out from the crowd. It puts your sparkling personality out there for the world to see and shows people that you take pride in yourself. And in this video, we will learn how to create a stunning profile photo for your social media handles, for all the social media handles. For example, if you're looking to upload it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So this profile photo will mark your difference among the crowd. Okay, so first of all, what we do, I present in the homepage of Canva and I search in the search bar that is about the profile photo. So this is a profile photo. If I click on see all images, this option see all images, so I come on this option. So there are stunning profile photos out there. So first of all, none of the less, I just select the first one. If I open select the first one, this design is open in front of me. So before editing this photo, I have to scrutiny what is present in this design, in this particular template. So I just click on this and I right click and I select this option detach image. The detached image means the image of this girl is detached from the design. So this is a one element out there in this design. I just crop it down. The second option element is this is the photo frame. The third is this is actually the animal pattern element. I change its color. Okay, so the fourth one is this circle. Now I place them in a row. Okay, so there are four elements in this profile photo. You have to understand this before creating any profile photo. So this is one is frame, which is used to insert this photo in the frame, so it must not go out of this frame. The second one is circle. This circle just plays an important role for the they are presenting the background to your profile photo. So this is a pattern. This element is an animal pattern, so you can easily find multiple elements in the elements tab out there. Okay, so what I do now, so this profile photo is not mine. I simply delete this and insert my profile photo. I just go to the logos and select this image and I am going to create this one for you. Okay, so this is my profile photo. You must need this. This is a prerequisite you need to before starting this video. Okay, what I do now, I just changes the color of these shapes. So first of all, I pick this image and place it in the frame. So now it is perfect. Now I change these circle and element colors as my brand kit. Okay, I click on color and I have multiple colors in my brand kit. That is, there are two brand kits I created for myself. This one is the old one and this is the new one. So I click on, for example, this is yellow and I click on this is the black one. What I do now, I simply increase the circle size. Okay, let me zoom so you understand it better. What I do now, I simply increase its size and place it in the middle of the design. It is perfect. Now I place this element tab in the home in the full page. You can say okay. Now I place this image in the circle. Now it's perfect. So you are feeling this that blue lines are outside the circle, so you can easily fulfill that by changing the background color to yellow. Okay, if I change to yellow, now the profile photo is ready. Okay, then there are number of multiple options I can create. If I create a new page, I change the background color to black and I again change these colors too. I change the background black circle to yellow and animal pattern to black, just to check out. Oh, just to check out that which is good, which pattern is good and visible. Okay, so I have to change its color to black. Okay, now I place it in the center. Okay, now I select the grid view. So these two profile photos are come in front of me. The first one is good, but not as good as I require for my social media. The second one is perfect for my social media. And this is a profile photo I'm using right now on my social media handles. And many people reach out to me that how you create this stunning profile photo that you upload all around your social media, in my bio link, in my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc., even on my Pinterest, Reddit. I am on many social medias, so I upload it on social medias. And this video is basically to help out all the persons out there who want to create the similar and stunning profile photo, because in the startup video I just tell you that why so profile photo is impression. It gives the first impression to your person that coming on your profile. Okay, so then number of options out there too. For example, if there is another option, profile photo. Wow. So what I do now, I simply change this profile photo to mine. For example, if I click on this, I right click on this image and detach image. So this image is detached, and this is not my image, so I delete this. This is a circle, and this is the element, and this is a circle. So the same four elements out there. The first one is picture, which I deleted just now. The second one is this is element, which I click on info button, and I know its name, abstract circle of black dots. So the third one is the photo frame, and the fourth one is circle for the background color. I simply click on okay, so first of all, I need a photo of mine. I just simply click this and I drop into the photo frame. Then I just increase the picture size of this frame. Yes, I change its color from blue to, you can say, black. Wow. And I change this elements color to from white to yellow. Okay, so I increase its size too. Okay, so I have to adjust it within the circle. Wow, this seems to be very, very good. Okay, I have to increase my profile photo size and adjust it. Okay, so I just change the background color of my page to black, to yellow, to black. So this is good. If I duplicate this page and I change the background color to yellow, and I change these colors too. For example, I change this color to black and the background circle to yellow. I just want to check out that how it feels, how it looks like in the yellow background and in the background. Okay, so I check out the grid view, and there is a first profile and there's a second profile, and I think second profile is much better than the first profile. So how you set it on your profile photo, you just use this circle bar by zooming and by repositioning your profile photo on your social media handles. So there are a number of options and stunning templates out there. You can easily create your own, and it just took less than 2 minutes for you. Okay, so this is all about for today's video. And if you like this video, subscribe to Saqib Iqbal Digital YouTube channel. Like me on all the social media handles. Follow me on all social media handles. Press the bell icon. Comment any requested video you want to me on my channel. And thank you so much for being here. Stay blessed and keep rocking.